This doesn't always happen. It's a special day today. There's a fiesta at my garden. There's a usual pumpkin dance. This time a folkloric performance from Bali. And there's a parade. Special indeed. Sharing not just food and learning, but fun this time at Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. First, a cultural presentation, a Balinese dance from an Indonesian. Let's welcome Rita. Next, we have a delegation from Italy. Let's welcome these two papas. Due papi. This time, something more melancholic from Portugal. Fado.
The old house still standing, the paint is cracked and dry, and then an old tree that I used to lay on. Down the lane I walked in days with Mary, nor the golden lips like green, green grass at home.
I look at life from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's life's illusion I recall. I really don't know life at all. I really don't know life at all. I really don't know life at all. I really don't know life at all.
Our homegrown talent at the folk style. New.
Di blu, felice di stare lassù, e volavo, volavo felice più in alto del sole ed ancora più su, mentre il mondo pian piano spariva lontano laggiù. Una musica dolce suonava soltanto per te.
Ma tutti i sogni nell'alba svaniscono perché occhi tuoi blu, felice di stare lassù.
E continuo a volare felice più in alto del sole ancora più su.
Mentre il biondo pian piano scompare negli occhi tuoi blu, la tua voce è una musica dolce che suona per me.
Felice di stare qua giù, nel blu, dipinto di blu, felice di stare lassù con te.
No, no, no. Toen de Spanjaard kwamen en de koningin kreeg een cadeau, van blijheid en dankbaarheid, ze begon deze stapjes te doen. En de hele volk van de eiland deden mee. Vandaag hebben we de stapjes geleend voor deze pompoendag ook feestelijk te doen. Speciaal gemaakt en gechoreografeerd voor onze Pompoendag 2025. Iedereen kan meedoen. Heel eenvoudig, gewoon zo. En dan Oké, nu.
This time, authentically British.
This is yesterday for the Beatles. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Everyone looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday, suddenly, why she has to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say, but I said something wrong. Now I'm wrong for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I just need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know what I say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe yesterday. On a sunny afternoon, and I can fill my yard. I've taken everything I've got. All I've got is sunny afternoon. Sunny, sing this from this queen. I've got a big mama trying to break me, and my microphone I love to make so pleasantly. younger, so much younger than today. And I believe that anybody's helping anyway. Chorando se foi quem um dia só me fez chorar. Chorando se foi quem um dia só me fez chorar. Chorando estará ao lembrar de um amor que um dia não soube cuidar. Chorando estará ao lembrar de um amor que um dia não soube cuidar.
Thank you for joining us on this special edition, special event here at Tea Garden. It's our Pumpkin Day. See you on the other videos as we grow, cook, and share here on Romulo's Kitchen.